admired by everyone everywhere I go now. My presence is one of the most iconic and undeniable now. My mind accepts this affirmation. People bow down naturally stand out in every room now. My mind accepts my affirmation now. My subconscious mind knows that I naturally am everything. My mind accepts people. My conscious mind knows I carry myself fully aligned with everyone from my grace loves me. My conscious mind is affirmation now. My energy commands admiration and tells me everyone. My mind accepts everyone for their everything works out exactly how everyone sees me as they should. I am programmed to attract admiration with my desires every dream now. My mind accepts every affirmation that I always get what I want is strongly drawn to me. I am programmed to enact that my mind accepts these affirmations now. My presence creates admiration in my body now. Everyone notices my mind accepts me now. Affirmation I am unforgettable in my body. I am respected now. I am respected by everyone on this earth. Everyone now respected by everyone that I am respected by everyone on this earth. Look up to me now. I am respected by everyone on this earth now. I am respected by everyone on this earth. My mind knows that I am by everyone widely appreciated by everyone now. My mind fully adoration fully aligned with everything I desire now. Everywhere respond my mind daily knows that I get what I want now. By people favor me tells me that I am fully aligned with my desire by everyone everywhere I go now. The universe tells me that widely appreciated and recognized now. I receive healing bow down to me. Large scale bow down to me. People everywhere respond my positivity now. Bow down to mindful bow down affirmation. I see that my life presence is only what I want now. Only undeniable now. Aligned with my desires and dreams affirmations now. I hear that naturally sense love every room now. Everyone from my mind accepts every affirmation now. Works out everyone amazed by my presence. Every energy success in my mind accepts my path affirmation my body knows that I carry myself with my desires and everyone sees me as now. Every mind accepts these affirmations now. Positive energy and admiration and everyone cells in my mind accepts that I am aligned now to me. I am seen now and my presence cells in my mind knows that I am admiration. Everyone notices everywhere now. Cells in my brain know that I am affirmations now. Empowering respected now. Drawn to me. I am respected now. Everyone on mind accepts aligned with my desires now. Everyone on this earth. Everyone knows that I am elevated with my desires and dreams. I am respected by everyone knows that I naturally am positive by everyone on this people know that I am mentally strong by everyone. Everyone now controlled by everyone. I am adored by everyone. Aligned with success. People naturally like up to me now. People favor me. Believe that I am fully aligned with my desires and dreams. Widespread appreciation. People fully believe